Hi, I'm Hugo from Project Heaven. Today I'm in the engine room and I'm going to be checking the piston ring gaps on this Jaguar 3.5 litre from an XK140. It's important to check the ring gap. If the gap is too big, you can lose compression and you can get gases blowing by the piston rings. If the piston ring gap is too small, it can cause the rings to seize against the sides of the bore. So I'm going to place this piston ring into the cylinder. It is important to get the ring the right way up. It is normally indicated top on one side of the ring. And I'm going to push it down with one of these pistons that I have put a piston ring on already. This ensures that the piston ring is level in the bore, so it gives a more accurate reading. I'm now going to take my feeler gauges and measure the gap where the two piston ring ends meet. So I've got an 11th thou gap. The feeler gauge fits in there nicely. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. The piston ring gap should be between 3 and 4 thou for every inch of bore diameter. This means that on this engine, the gap should be between 10 and 14 thou. Therefore, the 11th thou gap is in tolerance. Now I'm going to go through and check the rings in all of the bores. For this ring, I've got a gap of 4 thou, which means it's too tight, therefore I need to take some material off. I'm going to place it into this piston ring gapping tool. I'm going to apply moderate force onto the ring and turn the stone backwards. If you don't have one of these, you can use a file. I'm now going to place this ring in again and check it. It may take a few attempts to get correct. We've got a gap of 12 thou, which means it's now in tolerance. I'll now go through and check every ring to check its intolerance, including the oil control rings, which have a slightly different tolerance. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any more engine building videos.